Hello, Zane.
Hello. Have we met?
No, but some would say I have a knack at finding young talent.
Do you need me to chop wood?
Maybe one day, but not today.
Then why are you here? Are you lost?
Lost? An interesting word. Sometimes one has to be lost in order to be found.
That does not make any sense.
Maybe one day, but not today. Goodbye, Zane.
Will I see you again?
I am sure of it. And when we do, you'll be asked to do far more than chop wood.
Legend of the ninja lives, but it's just too bad that his daddy goes. Got a little bit of sarcasm in him, but he keep the record spinning. Freaking Mia's keeping everybody else in check, and she does it with a water strider neck. Jay's got his head up in the clouds, and he's flying through the sky. Well, the guy's got a lot of energy, and he's burning up his enemies. Fire Max, insane, he's bringing the pain, yet there's ice in his veins.
Hello.
What is it?
It's about Snake Jaguar. He seems familiar.
You're right. He does look familiar, but don't worry, we'll figure it out together. Oh, and Mr. E, keep an eye on Snake Jaguar.
Hello, my vision goggles tell me that the green and blue ninja are after the mask of deception.
Good. Snake Jaguar, come with me.
Hello all my YouTube fans. Thank you so much for watching my new episode, Lego Ninjago Sons of Garmadon Part 13. Here's your comment question. What was Mr. E's backwards talk message? If you know, tell me in the comments below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.